Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Tuesday, June the 11th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on the upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Real quick, want to say hi to my friends over at Ritter Consulting Engineers. Before the storm hits, make sure the stuff that matters is in Matterport. Ritter Consulting Engineers can create 3D imaging of your home or business for insurance purposes, and it'll all be in Matterport. Call 984-8498 or visit their website. Taking a look at the sky cam here this morning, we do have generally fair skies here in Lafayette. Probably a bit more cloudiness as you get down toward the coast. Temperatures have been running in the 70s, a little bit drier across the northern half of Acadiana as a front is sinking through the region and roadways are dry across Acadiana. Might be a little bit of a bright sun there if you're traveling off toward the east this time around, but all in all, it looks like things are relatively quiet along the roadways here in Acadiana. Radar image, a couple of showers and thunderstorms down along the coast and in the offshore waters, and I primarily think the chances for rain are going to be there as a weak front has passed through the area and will settle right along the coast and in the coastal waters later today. So with that in place, showers and thunderstorms will be more likely south of the I-10 corridor, but I really think it's going to be a lot closer to the coast this time around. A ridge of high pressure off toward the west is going to kind of rebuild in here toward the end of the week and then start to slide off toward the southeast, where we'll start to see some of that tropical moisture pulling northward toward the end of next week. But there's that front. That ridge will kind of sink a little bit farther to the south, helping that front to stay in the offshore waters for today and tomorrow. And it will start to lift back to the north on Wednesday, so at least a slight chance for some showers still sticking around. And then after that, an upper ridge is going to build in, and that should shut our rain chances down for Thursday and Friday. But primarily, most of the rain this time around, I think, is going to be this afternoon, and it's also going to be along the coast, and that's the accumulated rainfall. And you can see this model in particular pretty much keeping everything in the coastal parishes as we head into the afternoon. And temperature-wise, most of us are going to run right around the 90-degree mark, some upper 80s across the northern sections, but where the clouds and the showers and thunderstorms will be along the coast, temperatures may be just a few degrees cooler. A quick look at the tropics. Again, a lot of folks have been rumbling about it on social media. That tropical moisture is starting to surge northward into the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico. Florida really on watch for a lot of heavy rain over the next several days. But all this is going to be building and moving off toward the northwest. A lot of models last week were indicating some tropical development. It looks like most of the models are kind of backing off on anything really organized, but the amount of moisture that's going to be sliding in is going to be something significant. But looking at the 7-day outlook, possibly some development there over the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico over the next week or so, and then moving off toward the northeast with the chance for development perhaps there in the Atlantic. Again, all of this is kind of up in the air as the tropical models here showing more of a low pressure area trying to organize off the Louisiana coast late Sunday into Monday morning of next week, while the Euro model has everything just a little bit farther toward the southwest. But as you saw, the National Hurricane Center thinks most of this is going to be concentrated over the eastern Gulf and then maybe slide its way over into the Atlantic. But we'll talk about all the models and what the National Hurricane Center is thinking as we go to Let's Talk Tropics. That will be live on Acadiana Weather Today at noon. It's a live stream, so you want to check that out. Temperatures today should go up to 91 degrees. A couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms along the coast for the most part this time around, maybe as far north as I-10, but northern sections will stay mostly sunny today. Partly cloudy skies for Wednesday and Thursday, maybe 1 or 2 showers Wednesday. I think we'll stay dry on Thursday. As the drier air settles in, we may even see our temperatures dropping into the upper 60s and lower 70s across Acadiana over the next couple of nights. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel and turn those notifications on. That way you know when Let's Start Tropics starts later today, or if we're ever breaking in with any severe weather with our live stream. And by the time we get into tomorrow, I'm hoping you'll watch Acadiana Weather Today on a Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.